Most creator apps want you to have an audience before they let you make any money. And then there is one that has built their entire monetization system around the opposite bit. And today we are breaking down how exactly it works. This video is made in paid partnership with Clapper. Clapper is a short form video and live stream app, ad free and built around what it calls an equal opportunity algorithm. Your content gets a shot at being seen based on what people are interested in, and not just what's trending or who already has the biggest following. That's an interesting claim on paper, but let's break down how it works in practice. I'm going to tell you about the discovery system, the ways you can create on this app, the community tools, and how the money side works on this app. Here's the feed in motion. The core design idea Clapper is pushing here is that the algorithm isn't purely trend chasing, meaning a newer or a smaller account isn't automatically buried under accounts that already have millions of followers. Look at the content variety and the mix of creator sizes. It's worth being precise about what the claim does or does not promise, though. Clapper is describing this as their approach to discovery. It's not a guarantee that any specific videos can go viral or can hit X number of views. What it changes is the starting line. Whether a post has a realistic chance of getting discovered by people who are interested in such content. Content creation on Clapper splits in three formats. Each one solves a different problem. Number one is short form video, the core format. Record and edit an app or upload something pre-made with a built-in music library and editing toolkit. Number two, live streams. Go live solo or use multi-live to stream with up to 8 people at once. There's also PK battles, where two creators go head-to-head based on live engagement. And Shop Live for demoing products in real time. Number 3 is radios, audio only rooms, up to 20 speakers and 2000 listeners. If being on camera isn't your thing or you want something closer to a podcast conversation, this is built for you. Beyond posting, there are tools built specifically for community. Group chats, public or private, right from your profile. Up to 20 profile tags to let people find you by interest instead of relying purely on algorithm. None of this is unique in isolation, but having it built into the same app as your content and your monetization instead of routed through a separate Discord or a group chat app removes a layer of friction most creators deal with. Now, the part most people actually want to know: how does the money works here? Clapper gives creators access to monetization tools like videos and live stream, a built-in shop, and fam tiers, which are monthly subscriber perks you set up yourself without requiring a minimum number of followers to unlock any of it. That's genuinely a different starting point than platforms who gate the monetization behind thousands of followers. To be accurate about it, access to these tools does not necessarily mean you will generate money. It purely depends upon the kind of engagement you are getting on your content. Withdrawals only open up when your wallet reaches $100. Taxes, payment methods, and regional availability, all of them apply. You know what I really like about Clapper? It's the idea that they are working on. It tells us about what happens when a platform decides not to force creators to clear a follower wall before they can actually build or monetize anything. Being a creator, I really appreciate the idea behind this equal opportunity algorithm. If you're a creator who's been holding off on posting because you feel like you need a following first, this might be worth a look, since that's not a requirement here. Just a couple of things before you do. Check the age rating and make sure it's available in your region first. And like with any platform, take some time to explore it, see how the community feels, and decide for yourself if it's the right fit for what you're trying to build. If you want to check out Clapper, the link is in the description and pinned in the comment section. That's it for this video. I'll see you in another one. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.